Okay, guys, welcome to Fights for You. Today, we want to look at how to deposit using credit card or Visa card into your Binance account and other accounts. So, if it's your first time, kindly subscribe to our channel, and also, if it's your first time using credit card to buy, the first thing you need to do is to open or log in into your account. If you're using the app, when you log in, you click on icon at the top here. Okay, click on this icon, that is your profile. Then you click here. Yeah, you click here, that is settings. Okay, when you come here, you have to click on payment method. Payment here. So you click on payment method. When you click on payment method, you click on, see here at the top here, when it's everything added. So you click on payment method, and when you click here, you see there's already an account there already. Okay, so you just have to click on add a payment method here. So when you come here, you select your bank. Okay, the bank that you are using, a bank which you have a credit card of. Let's say it's Absa Bank. You click here. Just doing this in for example. So when you click, your name will pop up. Okay, so you fill the bank account number here, and your name on the account has to be the same as the name on the credit card. Okay, so after filling everything, you just click on confirm. Then you go back. Okay, and you go back. Then you now have to click on add funds. Okay, add funds. Now, when you click on add funds, you click on the first one, buy with AUD, depending on the currency that you are using. You can change the currency. You just have to enter the amount you want to buy. Choose what you want to pay with. Okay, let's say you are using Visa card or MasterCard. Okay, just choose this one. So you see, you can choose either credit card or MasterCard, or you can choose bank transfer. Okay, so here we are choosing credit card or MasterCard because we are learning how to use MasterCard to make a deposit. So you choose credit card, then you click on confirm. Okay, so now, because in the previous example you've already added your card, it will show here. I have not added mine, but let's just assume you've added it will show here. So it will not show add a new card here anymore. It will show you. So when you click on this place, you just confirm, follow the procedure, and boom, you are done. You just have to enter your card details, and that's how it is done with Binance. Let's now look at another platform. So now we are on Bybit. So you click on deposits at the top right corner. Then you choose the second option, which you can see clearly it comes with MasterCard. So now you select, you enter the amount you want to buy. After entering the amount, you click on next. Okay, so here you select either Google Pay or bank card, which is the Visa card we are focusing on in this video. See, there are other options you can also use here, but we are focusing on the bank card or Visa card here. So It's already selected. So you click here, and then here you enter your card details. Okay, enter your email, first name, last name, your card number, your card expiring month, expiring year, and your CVC. Okay, then you click on I understand. By the time you enter all these details, this continue button you will now be active. So you click on continue, follow the rest of the procedure, and boom, you are done. Your deposit is successful. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now let's see how we do a deposit using Visa or credit card or MasterCard on the Gate platform. So after you successfully log into the platform, you come to assets. And if you don't have a Gate account, I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can create an account and also receive a bonus upon registration. Okay, so you come to assets after logging in successfully. You click on deposits. Okay, you see we have deposit on chain and all that. So you choose buy crypto, the second to last, the one here, which comes with Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit, and credit card. So you select buy crypto. This. So here you enter the amount you want to buy. You want to buy $100. That is going to be 97.3 minus charges, right? So here you select a card. It is debit or credit card we are talking about here. Okay, so this is it. We have other options here. Here we go. Then after inputting the amount you want to buy, you click on buy USDT. So if you already have added a Visa or credit card, it will automatically lead you and you follow the procedure to continue the process. But if you haven't, as a new person, you click on add a new card here, and then you input the card number and um, the CVV and the expiry date here. After that, you continue, follow the rest of the process, and boom, you are done. Successful. It's not hard and it's simple. So guys, that's how you buy using a Visa card on these three platforms. Please like, follow, and share. And see you next time as we meet again.